I was a spoiled little Chicago boy who got all these awards as he came in the door, and people clapped and sang his praises. And he soaked it all up and believed his own hype to the point where he could not lose. And if anyone didn't pick him, they could not choose. As he swooned with the who's and broke all the rules and even lost his cool. Hey, ain't nothing new. Now they don't like you. Hey, they don't like you. Look at what you done, boy. Trying to be the #1 boy. And I'm 31 years now, and I